So I like tortillas as much as the next person, but unlike most people, I like to work out how to make things. So I have, like a psychopath, bought myself 1 kilo of corn flour because I don't know how many times it's going to take me to get there. And I bought myself a press to kind of feel authentic. So this bag gives each step by step. It's 1 cup of corn flour to 1/3 cup of lukewarm water and a pinch of salt, optional, but always put salt in because it's whatever. We'll see how this goes. If this is not authentic, we've got a problem because this says Mexico to your table. Okay, to follow this recipe as I'm looking at the front, it's 1 cup corn flour, so just dilute. And what, how much water? Lukewarm water, 1/3 cup. Do I have a 1/3 cup? We'll just put it in until we work it out. It does say knead till it's soft. That's one of that. And one of that. I don't think I put enough water in. Still very dry. Maybe add a bit more. It says knead till it's soft. Meh. Come out, water. Become a dough. Become a dough. I mean, I'm assuming it's like pasta, but I don't think it's like pasta at all. Everyone is probably watching me and going, what the fuck are you doing, man? I can feel a bunch of Mexicans crying. It's fine. It's just also very sloppy. Is it meant to be sticky? I don't know. Is it meant to be sticky? I mean, it's sticking together. Does corn flour make gluten? I forgot to pinch of salt. Boom. Muffin. I will never not put salt in something. Jesus. Just forget the main part. Jeez. Oh no. It's not sticky anymore. I was reading the back of like, it's like, if it's sticky, add more flour. I'm like, yeah. I'm glad I didn't. I'm about to offend a bunch of people, but it's okay. Oof. And now I have to make those into small balls. I think knead until it warms up and add small golf ball. Golf ball. I don't like golf. How big is a golf ball? Is that bigger than a golf ball? Is that? Let's go with that. That'll make sense. So I did a bit of research, and apparently you have to put a cling wrap or some plastic bag here, like I have. I don't think it works. But like, put it in the middle and slam it down until it's like 5 millimeters. How do I know what 5 millimeters is? But okay, is that 5 millimeters? I mean, it looks fine. Everyone, judge me. Please judge me. Because we'll see what happens. I mean, it's staying together. Except after the thing keeps going up. Wait, and up. Bah. I also purposely bought the small one because, you know, I don't need full tortillas yet. If I learn how to do this properly, I'll buy the big press. Oh no, it's side out. Oh no, no, come back here. Whoop. I've also got a pan in the background heating up because it says cook in a very hot pan. And I think I put a little bit of oil in it so it doesn't stick, but I don't know. I feel like that is taking it too far. It doesn't say put oil in it. The one that be frying it? I don't know. Yeah. Oh no! I don't know, like, is this? No, come back here. Mate. They're like little, like, valor buns almost. I'll come down here with you. They kind of worked. I don't know how well they worked, but they kind of worked. I think the next step is just cooking them and seeing if they actually work. They smell good. What do they taste like raw? The back of everywhere online says to make the pan really hot. I would not use, usually, a non-stick pan because, you know, toxins. But this is all I got, so we're going to work with what we got. Now, I believe it's hot enough to just be like, wham! Oh, it broke! Oh, whatever. Test a beam. Always test a beam. And like 1 minute, I think, on each side. I think. Let's find myself, I don't know what's looking. Find myself a spatula. I can't make the pan any hotter. Cook, please. Do your thing. While that's still going, I have turned on the air fryer over there because I'm going to try out something else because this does not seem to be working. But I'm probably going to upset people that I'm going to try it in an air fryer. I will come back to this with a different recipe because this isn't working. Or maybe it's just the way I'm doing it. I don't know, man. So I don't know what I did wrong. This is actually hot, ow, but it looks like a Frisbee. It is a Frisbee. There's no bend to it, really. God damn it. Sorry, Brie. Let's try this again. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. A little bit of olive oil. I know Mexico doesn't really have olive oil. But in theory, it won't stick much. We'll see what happens. At this point, I made a Frisbee. Okay, I just found out this doesn't work again. It doesn't fold. It's breaking apart. I just messaged a friend from Mexico and apparently I just deep fried the thing. So we'll try again without the oil in the pan. See what happens. If that doesn't work, I will try another recipe. So this is trial 3. The last one did not work. So this is just a different ratio between corn flour and water. And apparently not letting it brown too much is going to help. Yeah, I've been at this for a while now. A little while. I think I did it. We'll see. I think I did it. I think I did it. They're not the prettiest. And we might keep trying, and I might come back with better ones. But they fold. They're a little thick. They fold. Ow, they're hot still. That's just like, what I realized is like, you don't go brown from what I've seen so far. I'm gonna keep trying, maybe make them a little thinner, and I'll come back. I will come back with a whole different batch. And hopefully they're better. Hopefully. I've gone a little bit thinner. That's why I've kept it on the cling film. We'll see if this works. Because in theory, these are as thin as like store-bought ones and they work. Surprise! I did it. I mean, they're not the most prettiest looking tortillas, but I did it. And I feel like spending like a couple more days and like perfecting the art of a tortilla would be better, but they bend and they'll be able to do what I need to do. I don't think they'll fold too. I mean, that looks more like a cannoli, but it works. I'm about to lie to you massively. I'm about to tell you that I'm going to put down the recipe down below, but I'm not. I left these get cool and nice and usable. That was a lie. That's not a lie. It did not work. They hardened up and became Frisbees again. So the recipe failed and I don't know what I did wrong. And we'll just take this L to the grave. I will eventually work out how to make tortillas. I swear it. I bloody well swear that I will eventually make them. I will put down the recipe I eventually worked out that actually gets me to this point down below. Please follow and subscribe. That's always welcome, always loved. See you next week.